Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Pathfinder R51 STL, stock reference number 5702. The shape runs from the 5th month 2005 through to the 5th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel backed by a 6-speed manual full drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, bonnet has no damage, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door has no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heating controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.